Hi everyone, today we will take a look at, for users who have never registered in Product IP, how to complete registration after receiving a document request for the first time. First, we will receive an email from the Product IP platform. We click on this email request for documents. The email will list the products with the article numbers. If you have a question about using the platform at any time, you can contact helpdesk@productip.com. If the customer is using the FAST service from Product IP, then the contact details of the responsible colleague will also be in this email. It is possible to contact the colleague directly when needed. Once we have checked the email, we can click on Start Uploading. If you have never registered before, you'll be directed to the registration page. Here we notice this email address. If you have received a document request directly from the platform, your email address will appear here. If the document request was sent to your colleague, you received a forwarded email from your colleague and clicked on the upload link, then your colleague's email address will be displayed here. This email address will be the username for logging into the platform. For the following fields, those with a star are required. Your first name, last name, phone number, the name of your company, country or region, your preferred email language. Then set your password, which should be 12 digits or longer, and including at least an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. Then tick the required boxes with a star. Click on Register. Then the platform will prompt you to click here to log in. It will take you to the login page. Enter the email address we just used. And the password we just created. Click on Login. We are then logged into the platform, indicating that registration is complete. Thank you for your attention.